My name is Lisa, and today I'd like to share a story with you about a typical day in the life of my friend Alex. This will help you practice your English and learn how to talk about daily routines. Alex's day begins at 7 o'clock in the morning when his alarm clock goes off. He's not exactly a morning person, so it takes him a few minutes to wake up fully. But once he's up, the first thing he does is make a nice cup of tea. Alex loves the aroma of freshly brewed tea in the morning. After enjoying his tea, Alex takes a quick shower to feel awake and refreshed. He likes to take his time in the shower, thinking about the day ahead. By 8 o'clock, he's dressed and ready to start his workday. Alex works from 9 to 5 o'clock as a graphic designer. He loves his job because he gets to be creative and design beautiful things. He usually has a lot of tasks to complete, so he spends most of his morning and early afternoon working diligently. At noon, it's time for lunch. Alex prepares a healthy salad and enjoys it while sitting on his balcony. He likes to get some fresh air and sunlight during his break. It helps him stay energized for the rest of the day. After work, Alex goes for a walk in the park. It's a lovely way to unwind and get some exercise. He often meets his friend Sarah there, and they chat while enjoying the natural beauty around them. Once he's back home, Alex has dinner, usually something simple like pasta or a sandwich. Then, he spends his evening relaxing. He might watch TV, read a book, or even write in his journal. These activities help him wind down before bedtime. Around 10 o'clock, Alex starts getting ready for bed. He turns off his computer and puts away his phone to avoid screens before sleep. He enjoys reading a few pages of a book until he starts feeling sleepy. By 11 o'clock, he's in bed, ready for a good night's rest. And that's a typical day in the life of my friend Alex. I hope you found this story helpful for practicing your English and learning about daily routines.